G'day, Kurt Bosey here. Today is Saturday, the 29th of the 10th, 2016. The time here is 2200 hours, WAST. The reason I'm doing this, folks, is because of what's happened with Hillary Clinton today. Obviously, major news. Is it good news? Yes, it is. Is it bad news? Yes, it's probably worse. Look, as you all know, these people are sociopaths and just crazy to the hill. Now, they are not going to go down without a fight. If you think they're not, you're crazy. The reason I'm on this page here is because out of all this stuff that was here, this is the most galvanising out of all of them. Joint Chiefs plead with troops not to join anti-government revolution. This is true, folks. If Hillary steals the 2016 election, out of all these, that there is the most important video to watch on this, the next news network. Staggering to think that in 2016 the American General of Chief of Staff is talking like that. Now, I'm not going to rave on about this, but you now need to know that this is falling apart badly. This is going to affect the markets. This is Bitcoin at the moment, which is taking off. They've always said that Bitcoin will be the first one to go, and then gold and silver will follow. This has gone up about $100 already, and it's just going up and up and up. So it's, as we know it, it's all over. Now, a smart person would be prepared and aware. A dumb person will not. So please, 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 I'm begging you, get prepared and get ready. Go out tomorrow. I'll do another upload tomorrow. I'm sorry about the computer. I'm working on getting a new one, okay? I'll leave it at that. It's a short message to say to you all, this is not good. This is actually bad. Because now they're going to come out swinging. What are they going to do? Drop a bomb on the Russians in Syria? Drop a bomb in New York? You know, these people associate